Where was I? Here I am again. Okay. I don't know about this one. I don't know about that. I know about this one though. Mm. Again, cheers to all of us out here. Every day is a new day for something great. Okay, guys? Believe in that. Believe in it. Okay? Okay. Those don't slap. Dark. Oh, you drop your stuff. Oh, there it is again. you done drop 3 jalapenos. That's good luck for me. Anyways, I'm gonna do an unboxing up in this Basie.
Hey, what'd you get?
Making it wheezy. Huh?
What'd you get?
I got. Let me show y'all. Ooh. Okay. We don't want that on there. Okay. I told you that I wanted to paint. You gonna bring up? Oh, you want tattoo? Boy, stressing me out. Stressing me. Ooh. Look at this. Magnifico. Look at these colors. You can't really tell, but yes. We're gonna make my mom a great. We're gonna make her a great art piece. It's gonna go bomb.com, alright? I'm gonna do 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3 pieces. And it's gonna be very nice. And I'm gonna document it because I feel like I have to show you guys the phases of my relationship with my mother. But my hair is hella cute though. Susanna. Ooh, girl, you make me so happy. Be my friend. Anywho, she did this. She did this. All of this. Voluptuousness. Voluptuousness. Just. Anyways, I think we're went on a little bit of a tangent. And that's okay too. Because to get that relaxation feeling, there has to be sometimes a lot of things that I have to do. So yeah, we're gonna open these colors. We're gonna open it. We're gonna open it even if we had to bite it off the motherfucking. Oh, there it goes. I'm determined to show you guys the colors that I got. Because, oh my god. Oh my god. Look at this. Well, you can't really tell, bro, but... Oh, what? What? Oh, man, I can't show you guys. Oh, that sucks. But if you could only see... Oh, I have to show you guys. Like, look at the little shimmer. Oh, what color should I try to look? Oh, look at this one. You could barely tell, but these are like some See how it looks? Oh my god, look at this one. That is like wild. Okay, so these are the other colors. Like, I can't wait to paint one of these. They're gonna be something nice. Black. This is basic colors, but hey, I gotta invest in something. And I think getting it online was probably cheaper than getting it in the store. And if I was wrong, I would really love to know where to go to get these on discount. Cause your girl is ready to get this party started with the arty out here. Boom. Look at all these colors that I'm about to fuck up with. Ooh, that's a nice palette right there. I might use that. Even like boom, boom, boom. With the little boom, boom. And like boom, boom, boom. These colors here, looking very nice. And then boom, 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 bap, 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 something like that. We'll figure it out together, guys. We'll get in the zing.